I hope y'all aren't sick of these, but I just love them. Look at how golden the raindrops are. I find that pretty interesting. Oh, there's gonna be a different orb coming through. That's why they're golden. I have a golden orb. And there we are. Thank you, love. Did I just have to come and pick you up? Why you can't drive yourself over here? Huh? What's up? Why I always gotta come get you? I love you, and I love you guys so much, man. Gotta have a little fun, right? My daughter's in the car waiting for me. This is like a problem I have. Oh, I love that. Cripes. There's some of the blue world. I saw it. Chicka ching ching, chicka ching ching. I better go. I'm really gonna get in trouble. Alright. Love you guys.